Hello everybody, my name is Sweat, but today I'm going to be talking about how to make coconut candy. Yes, coconut candy. Well, what is coconut candy? It's a kind of candy that have a smell of coconut. It is made 100% out of coconut. They're sticky inside your teeth, but also are yummy things to eat. We're going to be learning how to make coconut candies. Well, first, there are coconut fruits. We would cut it out by just a raw machines, and it's made by people who works hard for a lot. They take out this this white part of the coconut. Can you see my mouse? I hope that you guys can look a little bit in it. Let me paint on. Oh, looks like a mistake. Well, look, upon here is some coconuts. The thing that I'm showing you. Well, people would take that out into pieces. Then we put it in another machine. Inside that machine, we put these coconut rice. And then they're being put into bags. And bags that have holes so that wires could come down. And then it goes through machines where we put those bags inside and it will pull it hard so that those coconut rice will turn into coconut juice. But why won't you just use those coconut juice from a coconut? The thing that we want here is the sweetness from the coconut rice. And if we have that coconut juice from the coconut rice, it will be much more yummier. And also has a better taste. Yes. Next, we put it over a big heating pan and we heat it for 40 minutes under fire, hot fire. And remember to cook it with some sugar to make it sweet. It's already sweet, but we want a little bit more of sweetness, so I think we're going to put in some more. And remember to adjust the heat to low. After that, pour the candy into the mold and let it cool. We put it inside molds that have rows and rows. And after it freezes, we would let it out. And a person would cut those into shapes. Some of them could be big while some of them could be small. I don't know. And then after that, we would have a person who uses pieces of really thin rice paper to cover those coconut candies so that it won't stick into the paper cover. Then we put it inside our box with decorations on it, and there we go. Our coconut candy has already been made. This is 100% ideas that I've get by my view and by tourists. Because I've traveled to Kongfung for today. And I've seen people making these coconut candy. And they're just so great at making these. Well, coconut candies is something that's yummy and also a great souvenir, right? Well, I want you guys to go and read through this passage. This is another way of making it, but inside a big machine place. Well, just like 30 seconds. Go. Okay, did you finish? Let's read this. Add 800 milliliters of coconut milk. Add in 240 grams of gold sugar, or just usual sugar, 140 grams of malt, and 4 grams of salt. Don't be too salt. And put it on medium heat. Remember to stir your hand to dissolve the material together. After you see the materials being dissolved, adjust the heat to low. Remember to follow the temperature in the candy pot. Cook until the thermometer is displayed at 125 degrees Celsius. In that part, the candy has reached. Turn off the heat and pour the candy into the mold immediately. And then you could use like some fans to help it to be cool for quicker. Then we cut it, put it inside thin rice papers, put it inside paper packets, and put it inside a plastic bag, put it inside the box, and there we go. Well, today we've discovered about how to make coconut candy. I hope that you had fun with me. I'll see you guys.